Hi there. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking for News and Nutrition, talking about visceral fat is in your muscles too. Visceral fat. The fat that's inside your abdominal cavity, around the kidneys and gut and pancreas gland and in your liver and around your heart. That's quite different than subcutaneous fat. It's highly correlated with eating ultra-processed food, notably flour and sugar. And we can now do an MRI scan and show it to you. But you can also look at it if you just stand sideways just before you get in the shower and you're in your naked glory. If you have a little poochy tummy, you've got some visceral fat. Well, if you have it in your tummy, it turns out you have it in your muscles too. And it's intensely inflammatory, and it's highly associated with coronary artery disease. Well, that's interesting. And actually, you can show that cows get visceral fat. They too are being fed a diet that's not good for them. They're eating corn and beans. And a farmer needs to raise his cow on a pasture because grass is what's healthy for a cow, and they build good, strong, big muscles when they do that. But they put on a lot of fat and make their meat marbled if they're finished with corn and beans. So many butchers will say they have grass-raised animals. Of course they're grass-raised, but they're not grass-finished. But they can't be grass-finished for too long because the muscles will shrink, just like your muscles will shrink when you get visceral fat and eat too much ultra-processed food. But as you lose your visceral fat and you go on a whole foods diet with no sugar and no flour, you will see your six-pack abs come back and your muscles will get bigger. We can prove that with serial MRI scans of your legs. You'll feel the muscles come back. Most notably, you will feel your pulses come back because you'll be able to see them. Very interesting. This is Dr. John Whitcomb for News and Nutrition. I've just lost 10 pounds eating a whole foods diet, and I can see my pulses again. Very exciting.